there, little one. Let's have some fun, making pancakes together. Oh, what a run. Mommy and you in the kitchen so bright, creating a breakfast that's pure delight. First, we'll gather what we need. Flour, eggs, and milk. Indeed. A bowl and whisk? Don't forget. A pan and spatula. All set? Mix it up. Mix it up. Round and round. Watch the batter swirl without a sound. Stir it gently, nice and slow. Soon our pancakes will start to grow. Heat the pan. It's time to cook. Pour the batter. Take a look. Bubbles form. It's quite a sight. Flip it over. Oh, so light. Golden brown and fluffy too. These pancakes are just for you. Stack them high up on your plate. Oh my goodness, they look great. Now let's add some yummy treats. Syrup, berries, or banana sweets. Choose your favorite. Don't be shy. Pancake towers reaching high. Mommy and you, what a team. Making breakfast like a dream. Laughter fills the kitchen air as you both enjoy your pancake fare. Remember the steps. It's easy to do. Mix, pour, flip, and then chew. Practice makes perfect. You'll see. Soon you'll be a pancake pro, just like me. Cleanup time. But don't you frown. Washing dishes can be fun. Don't you know? Sing a song as you put things away. Ready for another pancake day? Next time we'll try a new surprise. Maybe add some chocolate chips, so nice. Or perhaps some cinnamon spice to make our pancakes extra nice. So remember, my little chef, so sweet. Making pancakes is such a treat. With Mommy by your side, it's always fun. Now our pancake adventure is done. But wait, there's more to explore. In the kitchen, there's always more in store. Tomorrow we might bake a cake, or perhaps some cookies we'll make. Cooking together is so much fun. It brings us closer, mom and son, or mom and daughter. That's okay too. The kitchen's a place for me and you. So let's give ourselves a great big cheer. 4 pancakes made with love so dear. We did it together, you and I. Our pancake stack reached the sky. Now it's time to eat and enjoy our delicious pancake ploy. Syrup dripping, berries on top. These pancakes are simply the best. Full stop. Remember this day with a smile so bright of pancakes made from morning light. And know that whenever you want to bake, Mommy's here to help you make